Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you know it's time to clean your blade. And when it is time to clean that blade, how can you do it really easily and with almost no cost? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take out this blade. It's time to clean your blade when you're noticing that you're pushing harder to get your wood cut through the cut. Also, if you see burning on the sides of your cuts, that's a problem. And also, you're going to notice buildup on the teeth. That is not good. Some have more than others, but you can really get a look here. This is why the wood would be burnt on the edges. In fact, yesterday I smelled the burning. It smelled like something was on fire. So once this gets clean, once all of this is taken off, this blade is going to cut like new because it's never been cleaned before. So let's do it. What you're going to need for this process is some kind of a cleaner. I'm using a laundry detergent and water mixture. A lot of guys online use a 50 to 50-50 ratio. I'm doing a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 water to 1 detergent, and it's always worked fine for me. So we're going to pour this in. Now we're going to pour all of this in here. We're just going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Now when the 30 minutes are up, we're going to scrub. Now I didn't have a better brush than this, but a toothbrush should work just fine. If it doesn't, we'll find something with a firmer bristle, but this should be fine. So let's let it sit for 30 minutes. We'll come back and we'll see how it goes. 30 minutes later, and we are ready to scrub this blade. If you look closely, you can see that the sap is already starting to just fall off the blade without even touching it. So I'm going to move the blade a little bit, see if yeah, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's falling right off. You can see a little brown in there. So let's just pick it up and start scrubbing. So there's still a little bit of sap on some of these, you can see here, but it does come off if you scrape. So I'm just going to keep scrubbing. It will come off. If you look at some of these other ones, they're very clean. So you just got to inspect and see where you need to keep scrubbing. So I brought this in the house and I rinsed it off nice. And now I'm going to dry it, and then I want to put a protectant on there so that way it doesn't rust, because sure you know, if you mix metal and water, you're going to have problems. It looks pretty good. Look how clean these blades are, and if you look at this, look at the before, it's just night and day here. It definitely works. To prevent rust, I'm going to be using this WD-40. This one is actually specifically for rust prevention, but you could just use a regular WD-40 if that's all you have. If anybody has any tips or suggestions or a better way of doing this, please feel free to share below in the comments section. I would really like to hear it. If you are still here, then thank you for watching. I hope you found this one helpful. Please feel free to check out my channel page. There's a whole bunch of other project videos there. And if you like those, please subscribe. I will see you soon with something new. Have a good one, guys.